teaching you some summer coolers. As you know, it is very hot nowadays and we need to keep ourselves hydrated. So now, come on, let me show you our ingredients for today. So students, now for our first cooler, I will be making a mojito. For that, I will need a mason jar or any tall glass that you have. I will need some lime, mint leaves, salt, ice cubes, sugar, Sprite and a motor. Students, now let us quickly begin with the mojito. We take a lime and then we trim the edges off like this. Okay, students, please be careful as you use the knife. Okay, I'll trim it and now I will cut it into nice circles. Okay. And you can leave this one. So now I will take one ringlet and keep it aside, and the rest I will slice it like this. Okay, slice it off like this. Cut it into half. Second line, then simply do the same. Children, please make sure that you wash your lime before cutting. And as you know, lime is a very good source of vitamin C. Okay, so now I'm going to cut this off like this. Students, in a mortar, I'll be placing some mint leaves. Okay, these are around 15 to 20 mint leaves, and then I will be taking the lime, placing it in the mortar. Okay, now this can get aside. I'll sprinkle some salt. Okay, just a little bit salt. Spoon in sugar. Okay, now sugar, children, I'm putting around 2 tablespoons of sugar. And now let's muddle this mixture together. Okay, make sure you muddle it gently. Do not crush it as it will turn bitter. So just muddle it like this. Okay, the juice, can you see the juice coming out? Gently, children. Yeah, gently muddle it together. As you can see, I'm just pressing it a little. Can you see the juices coming out? It smells so good. Children, and now, okay, I think we have got, can you see the juices nicely splashing out? Yes, this is what we need. Let us start with placing our mojito. I will take my mason jar and nicely spoon in all the mix that we have into our jar. Okay, be careful. Okay, here it goes. Beautiful. Spoon it in nicely. Make sure you spoon in all the juice. And now is the time to put our ice cubes in. As you can see, the ice cubes have little mint leaves in it. Okay, I kept the ice for freezing. In the ice tray, I placed one mint leaf in. Now let's quickly spoon the ice cubes in. A lot of them. Can you see? The jar looks so beautiful, beautiful, with the lemon mix at the bottom, the ice cubes. And now is the time to put in our Sprite. I'm going to pour in the Sprite into a mason jar. Okay? And here it goes. Isn't that lovely? Beautiful, right? Okay. Now students, for some tea on our mason jar, what I will do is the line that we cut, I'm going to give it a cut on one side, just a bit, turn it in mason jar like this. Now let's use some mint leaves. I have washed my mint leaves before keeping them here. Okay. And ta-da! Here is a lovely mojito, a virgin mojito. Students, it is so very hot and I know you're going to enjoy having it. Okay, please make it for your parents and everybody at home. Okay, I would love to see your pictures. Now for my little darlings, I'm going to teach you to make a dessert that is disguised as a drink. Come, let us look at the ingredients now. For a Faluda, which is a dessert that is disguised as a drink, we need is a goblet or any glass that you have. We need milk, diluted milk. Please take half a liter of milk and then dilute around 200 ml of water. Okay, or just a little water. Okay, some tutti frutti, cherries, cashew nuts or any nuts, dry fruits that you have, some jelly, jiggly jelly, vermicelli, cooked vermicelli. Children, this vermicelli is cooked for 3 minutes in water and a pinch of salt. Okay, and here we have a Faluda or sabja seeds. These are also called basil seeds. These children are very healthy and a good source of proteins. Okay, before this, now these are the soaked sabja, okay, or Faluda seeds. This I have soaked in water, and before soaking they look like this. Okay, can you see this? They're like fine black seeds. Yeah, these I have soaked like a tablespoon. This is a tablespoon of it. I've taken seeds 1 tablespoon and some water and left it for half an hour. Okay, and now they have become a jelly in itself. And of course, ice cream, a vanilla ice cream. Very important ingredient is a rose syrup. Okay, children, rose syrup is a must for our Faludas. Let's make a yummy-licious Faluda. A milk, I've taken 500 ml of milk and added some water into it. The milk has to be nice and cold. Okay, rose syrup into the jar. Okay, now I like to put around 8 to 10 tablespoons of syrup. Let's count. Beautiful 8. Children, can you see the beautiful colors that have come? The syrup has settled down and the colors have turned to a beautiful baby pink. And now is the magic time. Ta-da! Take your spoon and stir it in. Ooh, lovely, beautiful pink. I think I can add in some more rose syrup to it. Okay, so we had put in 8 and here goes 9 and 10. Okay, now stir it nicely, stir it in. Our milk is ready. We will start placing our Faluda into the goblet. 2 tablespoons of soaked Faluda seeds, nice. 2 tablespoons. Okay, in this I will spoon in some vermicelli. Okay, 1 tablespoon and some more. I love vermicelli, so I'm going to put 2 tablespoons in it. Okay, you can spoon this extra out. Okay, and now is the time for a jiggly jelly. Okay, now you can put in 2 tablespoons of jelly. Whoop! Children, to make your jelly, you can use the ready jelly packets that are available. The instructions are on the box. Okay, you have to follow instructions on the box. Time for our dry fruits. I will spoon in lovely cashew nuts. A little more. Yes. It's time for some colorful tutti frutti. Okay? I've got yellow and I've got red and a green and an orange and nicely layered it out. Okay, I've put around 1.5 tablespoon. Alright. And now is the time for ice cream. One lovely dollop of ice cream. After placing our ice cream, this is the time for a lovely rose milk. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful. Can you see the pink color in it? Some more ice cream, children. Okay, fruity for some garnishing. Yes, here. It is nice and colorful. Again, I will chop up some. I will just sprinkle it with my hands, and because it is so hot, my ice cream is melting. Okay, before it melts anymore, quickly top it up with the cherry, and ta-da! Our Faluda is ready. Before we serve it to our guests, or before we serve it, children, please make sure your goblet is nice and clean. Here, a lovely, yummy Faluda is all ready. I will wait to see your pictures. Please make your Faluda, the mojitos, and send it to your class teacher. Till then, bye-bye, children. Stay safe. Remember to wear a mask. Do not go out of your house. Try and stay in the house and try new lovely dishes. Stay safe, my dear students. Take care. Bye-bye.